Hello, welcome to another Binance Exchange tutorial. If you're new to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button down below to stay updated with my uploads. In this video, I'll teach you how to do P2P trading on Binance Exchange to buy and sell tokens. A P2P or peer-to-peer service is a decentralized platform wherein two individuals interact directly with each other, without intermediation by a third party. Instead, the buyer and the seller transact directly with each other by a P2P service. The P2P platform may provide services such as search, screening, rating, payment processing, or escrow. Alright, let me open the app. By the way, if you haven't signed up, check video description for the sign up link and get 10% trading discount every time you trade. Alright, let's get to the video. On their homepage, tap on More. And then on the Trade section, click on P2P. Here, you select the fiat currency you want to use. Here, you can select the token that you want to buy or sell. On the right corner, you'll see available outlets, like bank transfer. Since I'm using Philippine Peso, GCash and PayMaya is available for cash out or cash in. Now, let me show you how to buy first on P2P Trading. Select the trader you want to have transaction. I will suggest you choose the one with verified logo and the one that has multiple trades already, which you can see here. Once selected, tap on Buy. Here you have two options, buy fiat or buy crypto. Input the amount you want to buy. On my end, I want to buy 20,000 pesos. Below, you'll see the equivalent USDT which you'll get out of the trade. As you scroll down, you will see Trader's Note. For newbies or first-timer, after placing order, get the seller's bank details in the payment method drop-down. Then after, you transmit and do the bank transfer on seller's bank account. Make sure to screenshot the bank transfer. Once the fund transfer is done, tap on Transfer Next button. Next is press the mail icon located on the upper right corner. Then chat the seller that you have transferred the fund and send the screenshot. Lastly, wait till the fund is released before clicking the Receive Funds. To give you better insights, let me show you how the actual process is. Once you have inputted the amount of purchase, press on Buy USDT. Here, you'll see the purchase details. Tap on Payment Method to see the seller's bank details. This will be the bank details you'll have to send the fund. Let me transmit the fund via BDO Online Banking.
2 seconds later.
Now that the fund transfer is accomplished, tap on the mail icon. And then chat the seller that you have already sent the fund on the given bank details. You will have to send the screenshot. Then click on Transfer the Fund. And then Transferred Next. This time, you will have to wait for the seller to release the fund. There will be a timer that the seller should accomplish it. Make sure before you transfer, chat the seller if he or she is online just to make sure. After a few minutes, transaction is completed. Balance should be available on your P2P account. You can give your feedback about your experience. Then you can transfer the fund from P2P to Spot Wallet to start trading. This time, I'll show you how to sell tokens using P2P trading. Go to More, P2P, and click on Sell. On the right corner, you'll see available platforms where you can withdraw your funds. On my end, since I choose PHP, I'll have a bank transfer, GCash, and PayMaya. Now, select the trader whom you want to do transaction. On my end, I want to cash out with my GCash. Let me pick it. Input the amount in fiat or crypto. Here, you can select the payment method where you want to get the fund. I'll pick GCash. Once amount is inputted, tap on Sell USDT. For withdrawals, it's quite simple as you only need to make sure the number or bank details are correct. Tap on the mail icon to chat the seller with additional info. Unfortunately, this seller is not online, so the fund was returned to me. Let me choose a different seller, and this time it was successfully sold. Please make sure that you have already received the fund before clicking on the payment receipt. I also received a notification on my GCash that the fund was transmitted. That's how you buy and sell on P2P trading on Binance. Hope this video helped you out. If yes, please share your love by hitting the like button and smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more Binance video tutorials. See you on my next video.